Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete your Facebook page permanently on desktop. So the first thing to do is to go to your desktop and then log in your Facebook here, and this is your main account. So to see your pages or the number of your pages here, all you have to do is to click your photo at the top right corner. Click the see all profiles to see all your pages, and then click that specific page that you want to delete permanently. So for this one, this is the page that I want to delete permanently. So click the name at the top left corner and then go to settings, tap this one. Now under settings, you will see the options such as preferences, audience, and visibility, payments. But what you're going to do here is to scroll down and then go to your information, then tap or click this access and control. Once you tap this one, you will see this deactivating or deleting your Facebook page. And you see that there are two options here, deactivate page or delete page. So what you're going to do is to click the second one, which is delete page, because you want to delete your page permanently. Click continue and then permanently delete page. You can download info or transfer info just in case you have tons of information here that you want to transfer to someone or download, just in case you need it someday. If not, then click continue. And then here, what you're going to do is to enter your password. Okay, so once you enter your password, click continue, and then you will see this notification that in order for you to permanently delete your account, you have to click this continue button. And that's how you permanently delete your Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.